Most men aren't stuck because they're lazy. They're stuck because they've forgotten who they are. I know because I lived it. This is the story of how I went from rock bottom addiction to building a purpose driven business that I'm actually proud of, and how I now help other men do the same with my Freedom by Design system. A few years ago, I was at my lowest point. I woke up one day on the floor in jail. My drinking and drug abuse had gotten out of hand. I was numbing. I had no direction, no identity. I was existing, not living. And deep down, I knew I was made for more, but I had no idea how to get out. About halfway through my 45-day jail stint, something shifted. I was meditating on my jail bed, just trying to stay calm in the chaos. And a voice spoke to me, and it said, if you draw a line in the sand right now and take accountability for your life, all your dreams will be yours. I realized I couldn't outsource my future to anyone else. I had to rebuild from the inside out. And that's when I started to design the system I now teach. That system became what I now call Freedom by Design. It's a 3-step method that helps men like you rebuild their identity, monetize their purpose, and build a business they actually own. No funnels, no sale calls, and no burnout. Just aligned work with real impact and freedom as the outcome. At the core of this is what I call the modern Trinity method. It encompasses the entrepreneur's mind, so you can focus on your energy and build cash flow. The masculine identity, so you stop playing small and start leading like the man you ultimately are. And the artist's soul, because your story, at the end of the day, is your superpower. When those three align, you don't just build a business, you build a life you're proud of. Now, I built this for men like you, freelancers, tradesmen, creators, solo business owners, who've been through some shit, but still feel the call to rise. If you're ready to rebuild with purpose, join the Freedom to Ignite crew. It's my free school group. The link is in the description, or you can just DM me 111 on IG, and I'll personally message you the roadmap. I'm not here to sell hype. I'm here to lead men back to themselves. If this hit home, subscribe. And if you're ready to build your life by design, let's do it together.